Good morning, everyone. Government is providing free medical facilities to the poor class. Sunil Sarpal Sangwan. BJP's Dadri MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan said that the deputy government of the state is providing free medical facilities to the poor class. This is directly benefiting this class. The MLA called upon everyone to come forward in social service and work for humanity. MLA Sunil Sarpal Sangwan inaugurated a camp organized with the cooperation of Azad Yuva Seva Dal and all the villagers on the occasion of the fourth death anniversary of late Suman Lata in village Samnaspur on Friday. He said that healthy citizens are builders of a strong nation. Keeping this objective in mind, the Haryana government has made and implemented many policies for public welfare, under which health facilities have also been modernized so that the common people can get health services near their doorstep. During this, he kept bowls for mute animals and birds and inspired everyone to come forward and cooperate in this direction. In the camp, 200 patients were examined for eye, teeth, free medical were distributed. District President Sunil Engineer and Vice President Rajesh Banti were present as special guests in the program. On this occasion, Prasuram Seva Samiti had and extra were present. Citizens should use water properly. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma has appealed to the residents of the district not to leave the taps installed in their homes and outside the houses open and run these taps only when necessary. While leaving the taps open leads to wastage of precious water. The street and roads are damaged due to the waste of water, which causes inconvenience to the people in movement. Due to this, there be problems in the supply of drinking water during the summer season. He has also appealed to the general public not to irrigate their gardens unnecessarily and stop washing vehicles at extra so that water can be distributed everyone in the service of the public. There is a possibility of increasing heat in the coming days and more water will be required in these days. In such a situation, everyone should use water as per the need and save water as much as possible. He said that during summer's water supply through canals also gets affected, but still concerned department has been instructed to fill all the waterworks completely. In such a situation, the people of the district should also cooperate with the administrations. Two services of energy department under the pursuit of Haryana Right to Service Act. Haryana government has brought two services of energy department under the pursuit of Haryana Right to Service Act and has fixed the time limit for these services. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that according to the notification issued by Chief Secretary Anurag Rastogi, the Chief Electrical Inspector will register the new lift within 30 days, while the renewal of the lift will be done within 24 days. Executive engineer has been made the designated officer for both these services. For grievance, chief electrical inspector has been made the first grievance redressal officer, while the secretary of energy department has been made the second grievance redressal officer. Golden opportunity for women will get loan up to 5 lakhs. State government launches Haryana Matra Shakti Udmita Yojana. Haryana government has launched Haryana Matra Shakti Udmita Yojana to make women self-reliant and improve their economic and social status, under which loan up to 5 lakh rupees is provided through the bank. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that Matra Shakti Udmita Yojana is being run through Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam. Under the scheme, on paying the installment on time, 7% interest subsidy amount will be given by the Haryana government through Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam for 3 years. He said that women with annual income less than 5 lakhs rupees and permanent residents of Haryana will be eligible for this scheme. At the time of applying for the loan, the age of the woman entrepreneur should be between the applicant should not be a defaulter of the loan taken earlier. Under the scheme of Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam, all activities are included, expected during negative activities included in the list of industries department and KVIB. These activities include auto rickshaw, small goods carrying vehicle, three-wheeler, e-rickshaw, taxi under transport vehicle, and under social and personal service activities, salon, beauty parlor, tailoring, boutique, photocopy shop, papad making, achar making, confectionery shop, food stall, ice cream making, unit biscuit making, tiffin service, मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाना etc. can be started. He told that to avail the benefits of the scheme, the prescribed documents have to be submitted along with the application. These documents, including applicant letter, family identity card, Aadhaar card, passport size photo, project report, training certificate, experience certificate, etc. Two photocopies of all documents are required. For more information about the scheme, you can contact the Haryana Mahila Vikas Nigam office. The irrigation department has decided to monitor the canal water 24 hours a day in view of the shortage. In this connection, a meeting was organized under the chairmanship of Superintendent Engineer Dinesh Rathi, in which discussions were held to the with the current water crisis and has formed teams for monitoring. Stender Kumar, Executive Engineer, Loharu Water Services Division, Charkhi Dadri Rakesh Kumar, Executive Engineer, Loharu Water Services Division, Loharu Gaurav Lamba, Executive Engineer, Bond Water Services Division, Bhiwani Mandeep Gulia, Executive Engineer Workshop Division, Charkhi Dadri. Harveer Singh, Sub-Divisional Officer, Kamal Singh, Sub-Divisional Officer, Suraj Bhan, Sub-Divisional Officer, Vijendra Kumar, Sub-Divisional Officer, Bhagal Singh, Sub-Divisional Officer, Joginder, Sub-Divisional Officer, Saurabh Malik, Divisional Officer, Surinder, Sub-Divisional Officer were present in the meeting. He said that at present there is a demand of 900 cubic of water in Loharu feeder, but less than 200 cubics water is being received, which not enough to fill the tanks and pipes in Dadri district. To deal with this problem and to fill all the tanks and ponds in less water, the public health department has been asked to make additional arrangements. Along with this, farmers and the general public were also appealed to not waste water and use minimum water as per requirement. To deal with the current water crisis, the officers are their best to fill tanks and ponds. A team of eight sub-divisional officer and junior engineers was formed to monitor the canals, who will monitor Badhwana distributory and Loharu feeder and Loharu canal day and night. Awareness campaign will be run by the District Legal Services Authority for the entire month for legal awareness in the villages of Dadri district, for which a mobile van has been specially sent to the district. Today on Thursday, the District Legal Services Authority flagged off an awareness van to be run for the entire month. Through the mobile van, people will be given legal information on various topics in some villages and the other every day. This campaign has been started from today on first day. An awareness campaign will be run in Charki Dadri city and the labor department will cooperate in this. People will be informed about law and rules through the mobile van, and eligible people will also be told about the action to get the schemes. People will also be made aware about the services of DLSA. During this campaign, employees of Women and Child Development Department, Labor Department, Social Welfare Department, etc. will be with the panel advocate every day. Under this campaign, people will be made aware about legal schemes by going to villages, and people will also be told about helpline number 1100 and DLSA helpline number 012502223890. So thank you very much for this watching PPT News, and I am humble request, friends, please subscribe our PPT News channel. So take care, bye, see ya, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal, jai hind, jai bharat, take care.